Welcome to this next video in the 15 successes of a marketing master. Please do remember this is a playlist, so if you haven't watched the ones beforehand, please go back and watch those. All the links will be down below so that you can watch the entire playlist in succession. And I really hope you're enjoying it. Please leave a comment down below if you are enjoying this this course, and obviously if you're on YouTube, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Our sixth success of a marketing master is to create a mirror in the image of desire. We have to create a reflection back to the customer. We now understand the customer. We now have defined the problem that we're solving for the customer. We've now looked at our competitors and we've worked out how we're doing it differently and why we're special. And now we have to assess and make sure that the way that we do that has value to the customer. So this is our value proposition. Our proposition of value must resonate and mirror back from the customer, and they must see value. Otherwise, it is a valueless proposition. And so we create this mirror. We take all of the knowledge and understanding of our customer. We take everything that we know, all their pain, all their aspirations, and we place a mirror back to them. And we say, this is your pain. This is where we're going to take you. We're going to take you from this state to that state. And we're going to do it in this way. And the way that we're going to do that is going to have value to them. If it doesn't have value to them, it's not a value proposition. But we create the value proposition so that now the customer can see a mirror and see themselves in the solution. And then they want to buy that solution from us. So number 6 is our value proposition. We create a mirror in the image of desire.